channel, it's your girl Sophie Alyy, and I'm back again with another motherfucking video. I just moved into my new apartment and I'm very excited. This is my first apartment. It's my first time being by myself, so I don't know how that's gonna go. And I'm just so proud of myself because I've been saving, I've been praying for times like this.
I used to pray for times like this, to rhyme like this, so I had
so happy that I finally made it happen, and I didn't have no help, and you know, this is just all me. Like, this is a place to call home. But I have my own space, and I'm just really excited for that. Keep on watching if you want to see my empty apartment tour. This right here is the lobby, and I just think it's really cute because I love taking pictures. So it's nice to know that I have a place that I can take pictures in, not just in my apartment. But yeah, the lobby area is really nice. Oh, so cute, so cute. Alright, so this is the hallway or whatever, and this is my apartment. It's a little light, it's so cute. And I wanted to show you guys this because of the key. I don't actually have keys, so you press on this button and you input the code and it opens, which I really like because I've never had that before. So when you first walk in, to your left is this big empty wall. Oh, the ceilings are really high. Yeah, the ceilings are really high. It's a big empty wall. I think I might make an entryway here and put like a little mirror here. I think I'm gonna do that. So after the entryway, to your right of the door, you have this video call. I thought it was cool because I've never had one before. So you just press it to turn it on, and then you get to see like who's at your door basically. Who's on the street, how you let them in, and stuff like that. I thought that was really cool. Because downstairs you don't have a lobby person. There's no lobby man downstairs. So this is really safe. And to the right of the video comm, you have the kitchen. Y'all, this kitchen is so freaking cute. Like, it's, oh my goodness. Because it's all black, like that's really like my thing. I love the color black. And the countertops, y'all. Like, you see the countertops? It's a little bit dirty because I haven't cleaned anything yet. Those are the cleaning supplies in the bag. I haven't cleaned anything yet, but the countertops, they glisten, they're sparkly, and like it's just me. Like, this is just a bit of me. Like, the cabinets are wood with the gold accents there, and I feel like it's really cute. It's enough cabinet space for me because, like I said, it's just me living here, so that's nice. The doors on the bottom also have this gold accent. I thought it was really cute. It's white on the inside. Really cute. And this faucet, guys, like this faucet is so cute. The sink is really deep. And y'all see the countertop glistening? Like, it's just so cute. Excuse this. I literally just got here, so that's my camera stuff and then my items there. The stove is an electric stove. I've never used an electric stove before, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. This is the stove. It's really cute. The freaking countertops. This is the fridge. Like I said, I just got here, so I haven't even opened it yet. This building is brand new, so no one ever lived in here before, like in this apartment, so I'm the first one here. So they just got this new fridge. I'm taller than the fridge, but it's okay. Like, it's tiny, but I'm okay with that. The fridge also has some cabinet space up here. And the ceilings, let's step back. Look at it, like it's just so cute. Oh my God, I'm in love. This kitchen is so amazing. I have a kitchen window. That's me right here. Yeah, the windows are really big in this apartment. Windows are huge. This is just so cute. So this is the kitchen area. It's really small, but like it's just me because, you know, I might put an island here. I'm not sure. Or I might just leave it like that and leave it like as an open kitchen concept type thing. So after the kitchen, to your left of that, you have the bathroom. And look, the ceilings are so high in this apartment, like super high. Super high. That's the door. This is the bathroom, y'all, and look at the door handles. All the doors in this apartment have a gold accent on it, and I'm just in love. The bathroom is my favorite part. This is the bathroom. I love this bathroom. Like, look at the floors. Look at the floors. So cute. The toilet is very modern. This bathroom is just very modern in general. This is the bathtub. Yeah, this is a bathroom. Look at the shower. It's gold as well. Like, everything is just so modern and update, and I love it. So cute, so cute. This is the sink. The sink is very cute, and then let's get into this mirror. This mirror is so cute. Like, this is why I'm in love with the mirror. That's the light right here. It's LED. What does that do? I don't know what that does. But, but yeah, that's the mirror. So the sink has cabinet space as well. Put my stuff in here. Really nice. The freaking faucet is gold. Like, I'm in love. Is this open? Oh my god, I didn't know. Oh my god, so it's like medicine cabinet as well. I didn't know it was a medicine cabinet. That's crazy. I didn't know that. But yeah, this is really a lot of space for me. And this mirror, I'm in love with this mirror. Oh my goodness. This is the bathroom. Oh, the ceilings are so high. This is amazing. The walls, like everything in this bathroom is amazing. That's the only word for it. It's amazing. The floors, everything. I'm in love with this bathroom. So after the bathroom, you're like in this little hallway right here, and then to your right is my living room, and it's so gorgeous. Like, it's so big. Like, I'm already imagining. I want a black velvet section right here, TV and electric fireplace right there, and it comes with like a little chandelier light, whatever, hanging light, whatever, and it's so cute. It's gold at the top. And I just love it. Like, it's spacious. It's really spacious for one person, and I'm loving it. My only problem is when I was looking at apartments in this building, the apartment I thought I was gonna get had a balcony, right? It has a balcony. This one doesn't have the balcony, so I'm really, really pissed off about that. But it's okay. I'm not gonna even like complain. So to the left is this coat closet. But it's really big for a coat closet, so I think I might put some, the storage closet and coat closet. I have my coat in there. But yeah, it's like a storage closet. It's really deep. Like, I could walk in type shit. Like, I'm in the closet. What is that? I didn't even peep this. Is it open? Oh shit. Okay, so I got it open, but it looks like it stores like the heater and stuff, so. Yeah, let me close that. But yeah, that is the living room. I love the windows. It's floor-to-ceiling windows. Well, not all the way ceiling, but I'm gonna say floor-to-ceiling windows. That's the AC right there, central air. I have a thermostat right here, and I just feel like this is really cute. I wish this apartment had the balcony. Like, the one I was looking at had the balcony. That's what sold me. But fuck it, like, I'm not gonna be ungrateful. It is what it is, and yeah. Living room is my bedroom. Look at the gold freaking handles, so cute. It's my bedroom. It's pretty spacious, and I love the windows. Like, the windows are huge. Windows are freaking huge. When you walk into my bedroom, this is a king size bedroom. I think it's a queen size actually. Yeah, it's a queen size bedroom, but it's really, really big for me. I love it. It'll fit all my stuff. And it has 2 closet doors. Hold on. It has 2 closet doors just because I have a lot of clothes. Yeah, so both closets are deep as well. It has shelving because I need the space, and it's really nice. That's one closet, and this is the other closet. Same with the shelving. All it's the ceiling, really nice, and I love it. But yeah, that's really it. So this is the rooftop, and it's so pretty, and you can come out here and relax if you want to. Look at the swing chairs, it's really nice. But it's cold in New York, so I'm not coming out here anytime soon. But I just wanted to show you guys because yeah, the rooftop is really pretty and it's nice. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. Thank you for tuning into my channel. And if you've been here since day 1, I love you. I fucking love you. Oh, and I'm moving here on Monday, so let me know if y'all want a moving vlog. I might not film it though, because I have a lot of shit and like, I don't know, I feel like that'd be too much work trying to move and then film at the same time.